Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Lowe's weekly ad. It says April 25th through May 1st. It says spring savings. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Looks like we got some grills here. We got 200. It says save up to $200 on Lowe's. I can't read that. See if I can click on it. Yeah, I guess you save up to $200 on the riding lawnmowers. You got a Craftsman 25cc, 2 cycle, 17-inch cut, string trimmer, $129. Can't click on the other one. See if I can zoom in. Maybe it's buy this, get this free. Yeah, I guess you get the attachments. I don't know exactly what you get free. I can't really read it. See if it says if I click on description, more info. It says buy any Craftsman trimmer, $129 or more. Get an add-on edger, free automatically added when added to the cart. Ends 5/1/19. So I guess you get an edger. That's what it says here too. Attachment leaf blower. Okay. Buy a Craftsman 25cc, 7-inch cut trimmer, get a trimmer plus, attachment leaf blower and or edger. Okay, so you got the choice of any of those 2 or 3. You get that for free if you buy the $129. Let's see, we got some grills down here. I'm not gonna go over those. Got the John Deere E100 series riding lawnmower. Includes repair, reconditioned items. Selection varies by location. Easy change. Canister. Time to purchase. Okay. Buy John Deere E100 series lawnmower and get an easy change all-in-one oil filter. Canister free. $39.99 value. So yeah, it's just like you're getting that for free. Got a John Deere Z335 or 335E Z-Track 20 horsepower V-twin 42-inch cut hydrostatic 0-turn lawnmower $2,599. These are the way to go if you're a professional. If you got a big yard, try to get that. It's just so easier to turn in the same place, you know. Got the Bullens 140cc 21-inch I can't talk today. 140cc 21-inch cut push gas lawnmower $189. It's a budget lawnmower. Craftsman 140cc 21-inch cut self-propelled front-wheel drive gas lawnmower $269. And then these are the battery operated. Everybody's moving to batteries now. Like everybody, if I were to buy another mower or another trimmer, I would definitely go battery. Just lithium, you know. Why struggle starting that gas lawnmower or, you know, taking it to the maintenance, get the oil change and the spark plug and worrying if it's gonna start the next time. Get the Greenworks 60-volt max brushless cordless lawnmower $399. Does include a 4-amp hour battery and a charger. It's a brushless. Got the 60-volt 21-inch stack self-propelled rear-wheel drive brushless cordless lawnmower $449. Doesn't say it includes a battery. Oh yeah, battery and charger. My bad. You got the Greenworks 60-volt max brushless cordless lawnmower $399. Includes a 4-amp hour battery. You got the Cobalt 80 volt max, 21-inch deck width, self-propelled, rear-wheel drive, brushless, cordless lawnmower, $529. You got the Cobalt 80 volt max, 16-inch brushless, cordless string trimmer, $229. Got the Cobalt 24 max, 24 volt max, 12-inch brushless, cordless string trimmer, $119. Got the Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut string trimmer, $99. You got the Works 20 volt max cordless string trimmer, leaf blower, $119. So you get a kit. It's not a bad deal. You get the Greenworks 60 volt max 16-inch cut straight shaft brushless string trimmer, $169. Cobalt 24 max 24-inch brushless cordless hedge trimmer, $119. You got the Cobalt 24 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower for $119. Cobalt 80 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower, $229. And then we got the Greenworks Pro 60 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower, $169. Got a lot of good prices. I gotta get myself something like that. Greenworks 1800 PSI 1.1 gallons per minute. Electric pressure washer, $149. This is the Greenworks 2000 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute. Electric pressure washer, $199. Craftsman 2800 PSI 2.3 gallons per minute, $299. And then we got the 3000 series or 3000 PSI 2.5 gallons per minute, $349. Got the Craftsman 3200 PSI 2.4 gallons per minute, pressure washer, $399. Alright, we got Hitachi. I don't know if you guys know, but Hitachi or Hitachi did merge with the Metabo HPT. So they are now called Metabo HPT. Durability first, new name. Our commitment to quality will never change. Just our name. Got the 16 gauge 2.5 finishing pneumatic nailer. Doesn't say the price. They're just showing you the items, I guess. 21 degree 3 1/4 framing pneumatic nailer. Yeah, $289. So you do have to click on it to get the price. Let me click on the one on the top. $119, so that's not a bad deal. Very competitive. And then you got the drill here, 18 volt lithium, 1/2 inch brushless cordless drill driver, soft case. And it's $149. Like I said, very competitive. Especially if it's brushless. We got a table saw here. 15 amp, 10 inch job site table saw stand. So it does include a stand, $489. Alright, we got some more tools here, or garden equipment. I'm not going to go over all these because this video is going to be super long. I'm just going to go over to the tools. You got some storage right there, 20% off. Tools. Alright. You got a DeWalt 20 volt max XR lithium ion 1/4 brushless cordless circular saw, $129 with the brake, $129. Says up to $40 off. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR lithium 1/2 inch brushless cordless impact wrench, $169. Got the DeWalt 16 piece bimetal reciprocating saw blade, $24.98. DeWalt 13 amp variable speed corded reciprocating saw with case, $139. This is the DeWalt 22 20 volt max lithium cordless combo kit soft case, $179. This it does include 2 batteries, and these are the older models brushed. Just to let you guys know, it's probably much a better deal. Well, it's an okay deal because you get the reciprocating saw and 2 batteries there in a bag, but there's better deals out there. This is the DeWalt 42 20 volt max lithium cordless soft case, $249. Outside of these two, yeah, I guess the other one's a better deal. This one's a better deal. It's just not a really killer deal, you know what I'm saying? It's an okay deal. DeWalt 21 piece black oxide twist drill bit set, $19.98. I think this is a better deal. The table saw. DeWalt's 10-inch 15 amp job site table saw with stand, $4.99. Got the Bostitch 18 volt or 18 gauge 5/8 pneumatic crown stapler, $39. Got the Bostitch 18 gauge 1.5 narrow crown finish pneumatic stapler, $89. Oops. DeWalt 2-piece 12-inch saw blade set, $49.98. DeWalt 12-inch 15 amp compound miter saw, $199. Not a bad deal. Mar1 7 1/4 24 tooth circular saw blade, $7.98. Got the Irwin 4-pack quick grip mini clamp set, $29.98. Got the Craftsman AP screwdriver variety pack, $19.98. Got the Craftsman 6-gallon 150 psi max electric compressor, $99. Got the Shop Vac 10-gallon tank, 4.5 peak horsepower. Shop vacuum, $54.98. You got a Craftsman 25 feet Pro 11 magnetic tape measure, $12.98. You got a toolbox 26-inch 4-drawer steel tool chest, $219. Sorry guys, my phone is going off like crazy. That's it. We got a tool chest here, a job site storage box, 48-inch, $299. Not a bad deal. Looks pretty rugged. Alright, that's it for today. Oh no, we got some more. Hold on. We got Craftsman 2-pack 20 volt max lithium 2.0 amp hour power tool battery kit, $129. I guess you get the tool. You get that kit if you buy the. Oh, if you buy the batteries, you get one of these tools. So you got your choice. I'm sorry, this thing's real hard to see, but that's how it works. I went to the Lowe's and that's pretty much how it works. Buy one of these kits and you get one of these batteries. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell.